Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Ernst, and today we're going to look at Tuesday's assignment. So for Tuesday, we have a read aloud with a celebrity, so they're going to listen to the celebrity read the book. After that, we have a reviewing of our blending sounds. So we've talked about reviewing vowels, we've talked about reviewing consonants, so now we're going to review blends. Afterwards, we have art, and this one is a wizard castle. So I thought that'd be a fun activity along with art and sensory choice board if you choose to. Right here is let me speak today, please. Is a link to a website. However, it's not letting me link it. So what I'm going to have you guys do is just copy and paste this into your browser, okay? And then you have your discussion guide for the video, okay? After that, for science, your kids are actually going to be doing a game where they're going to take toys and describe, do I have to push the toy or do I have to pull them? And then you're going to group them into a Venn diagram. Now, just in case you don't remember, a Venn diagram's two circles and the coming to meet in the middle. So a Venn diagram would look something like this, just in case. That would be a Venn diagram, but this is three circles, so I'm looking at the two circle aspect. Okay, so they'll put the toys they can push and the toys they pull, or the ones that they can do both with. Okay, so that's it for Tuesday. A very simple activity. Contact information's down here, QR code's right here. You guys have a great day. I miss you dearly. Bye.